akin! Sa akin pa yun. Ang ganda-ganda niyo po.
Alam mo, ikaw rin. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Seryoso. In fact, can I borrow? Here. Ito yung number ko. Pag nag-base ka na sa Manila, let me know ha. Isasali kita sa Beauty Queen Academy ko.
Thank you po.
Excuse me. Ay,
Doc, thank you.
ay. You did it. Congratulations.
Ay, it's a team effort, Doc. I couldn't have done it without the kids.
Ay, hindi. I meant, congratulations dahil may lumabas na bagong resolusyon sa kaso mo and I heard magre-retract daw ang accuser mo.
Doc, ikaw, marites ka rin pala.
I have my sources, you know.
Excuse me, Zeph? Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you, please?